What we first noticed about the cars when they brought it in is the discoloration of paint between the front and the back. This sustained a damage right here in the center of the unibody frame. When we open the door, as we go upon the welds, if you look at the top, you'll see little dimples, indentions, which indicate a factory weld. As you come down here, and if you can bring the camera in, you can see a gap. It's a single line gap where it wasn't welded. That is actually going to be an impact zone, which may affect the airbags in the case that once it goes back, it's not rigid. That'll split wide open instead of having the strength of a factory weld. Then if you pan down into the floorboard of the car, this car supposedly was straight, put on a frame machine, and there was no damage left after they repaired it. You can look where the arrows signify on each side of that structure that there is still a bend in the metal, which weakens the structure. So if this car is ever hit again, the damage is going to be unbelievable. It's just an unsafe vehicle to drive in. We showed you earlier on the car liner and the sheets that this car has a banana shape in it. When it was hit here, it still is off in the center of the car. The internal structural panel we showed you, the outer body B-pillar here was not welded properly. Four-wheel alignment, if you look at all four corners of the measurement, it doesn't work. The seam here, if you see there, that's the way it should fit. This is the way it fits. That's an airtight seal. When you go down the road, there's wind noise coming here. The frame rail behind this tire is buckled. It's squished in like that. Behind here, you can't see that, but we use a bore scope to go up where you can't see. And where they ground the inner side of it, there's actually just bare metal. And if this repair, I think, is about 4 months old, it's already begun to rust. The quarter panel was glued together, not welded. The rear floor pan, which is in the trunk, is still damaged. It was not replaced like it should have been. And these are the type of things that we found. After $25,000 worth of repairs done to this vehicle, we still declared it a total and got the complete value of the car for the owners within, I believe, 2 weeks.